Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do a closure twist. I'm making a closure twist with attachment extension in this video. As a beginner, the first thing to do is to mark out your wig cap with marker or a white chalk. In this video I'm making use of a white chalk. This marking it out will help you to have the right volume for this braid. It will help you not to make mistake when crocheting your extension on the wig cap. So after marking it out, the next thing is to make sure you pin the cap down very well so it will not be shaky. Then you start crocheting your attachment extension on the wig cap. Please, when crocheting your attachment extension, make sure you are using the tiny crocheting pin. Using the tiny crocheting pin will make your wig cap not to have any tears. Using a big one will tear your wig cap. That is why it is recommended to use the tiny crocheting pin. After crocheting my extension, I start my twisting. Apply this process from the beginning to the end of this twisting braid before you start making your Ghana weaving at the front. This particular braid, there was a Ghana weaving at the closure. The closure was made with Ghana weaving. Watch the video to the end and see how beautiful the Ghana weaving came out. If you are a new viewer, thanks for coming to our channel, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. All we do on this channel is to make braiding technique easy for beginner. Journey with us as we dive into braiding techniques. Thanks for watching.